Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today we'll see how to create the UI page control in SwiftUI. So it's very simple. So let me start with the basic part. So first I need to create the page control struct, which is use of protocol UI view representable. So all these protocols I have already explained in my previous session, so you guys can see and watch there. So current index will be, we can say 0. Now two methods already we need to use override that method, that is make UI context. This will be right fine. So we can say now page control dot UI view type. Okay, inside that what we need to create a page control object saying it is a type of UI page control, where it is page control, and simply put some properties inside that page. We can say current page indicator tint color, we can say whatever you want. Mine is black. I will ask for black. Why it is not coming fast? Yeah, might be my export is not working fine. So page dot number of pages we need equal to, I think 3 will be fine for me. As of now I'm doing the static one. You guys can do dynamic as per your requirements. So yeah, number of pages we have done. So that is what else, page indicator tint color also should be there, because one is selected and indicator should be there. So we can say dot gray will be fine for me. Come on. Okay, so return page, fine, and looks fine. So now we have created the method page control. Sorry, it's already defined. Why we did again? Sorry. So it is a type of UI page control, and page control we have given. So it's look fine, right? Sorry, two places are not required, syntax issue, because Xcode is not giving the syntax, so I'm writing manually. So looks fine. What is this reference of this? Okay, one more method is remaining here. So what we can do, we can use one more method called update UI view. Perfect. So it will take the page control object and correct, fine. So let me create UI represent context, UI view representable, fine, context. Okay, inside this we need to say, actually it's give manual automatically. This method is correct, actually it's giving, so we don't need to write it again. Yeah, so what we can say, simple UI view, where it is, sorry, UI view, I'll copy paste, my keyboard is also like this. UI view dot current page should be current page equal to current, fine, which is we have already defined 0, and it will come dynamically. So now what it is saying, does not confirm the protocol. Why? Which method is remaining? Okay, I think we don't need this actually. Let it be. Let's see. We have given the method and it looks fine. Page control object, we have given UI type, is perfectly fine. So okay, sorry, so it should be okay, it's asking for UI page control, fine. Let's see. Fine, it's went off. So now we need to come into the main body, that is the closure for this. So now we can start the binding part. So as of now I'm planning to create a vertical stack. Inside that Z stack I need, and then some cosmetics part. So we can say vertical stack. Okay, and inside that Z stack, guys, this stacks already I told in previous session, so you guys can see the previous session regarding the stacks. What are these? If current, okay, that current page we have not declared, actually we need to bind state variable, we need at the rate state. Okay, state variable we need, where current page we need to pass is equal to 0, fine. So now inside that what we'll do, we are creating the vertical insert with the help of Z stack, and we need to pass this current page Actually, I'm doing static one. You guys can do the dynamic as per your API calls or dynamic data, because I don't have that. So it looks fine. So current fine. So I'm passing some images. Okay, and images actually I don't have. I think I don't have some images, right? We don't have. Okay, we will download it now, no problem. So we can give some name as of now, image 1 we can say as of now, and some modifiers we can use, resizable and frame height also we can give. Okay, so height should be, I can say height I can give 200, looks fine, and some padding we can add. Okay, so this is for first page. If it is for second page, similarly we can pass it, and similarly for third page as well, looks fine. So we can say 0, 1 and 2. Fine. Now as of now you did that, so as a vertical stack, now we need to come. So what I will say, page control which I created, representable view, so I will pass the current, next we can say current page. Fine. Now I am planning to put for some button also, so which will say next and previous, so that should be horizontally aligned. So what I will do, I will create the button. Okay, command past, so put the actions on that. Guys, this buttons, actions and all basic UI elements, you can watch the previous sessions, it's very easy, and once you will try, you will know the syntax also, so no need to worry for the syntax part, it's very easy. Equal to 0, then what I need to do, then I will need to come -1. So what it is, self, what happened to the top one, int is not converted. Okay, that will check it out. So self dot current page is equal to minus equal to 1, right? Seems like it's white. So after that, what we need to do, simple, we need to put some text at the button property. So we need to add the button text, that is we can say previous will be fine. Yeah, previous will be fine. Okay, and we can add some padding also of 15 or 12, whatever it is. Okay, and then some background color should be, it's look some element looks fine actually if you're putting some colors and font color, something like that. So we can say orange color looks fine for me. And last but not the least, we can add the foreground color. Here we can add its look as aligned. Foreground color should be white, will be the best option for me. Fine. Okay, and after that, same we can do for I think we can add one more button, which will say the next. Fine. Looks fine, but in this it should not be 0, it will say if it is less than, because we have a count till 3, so we can say 3, and if it is not this, so we can say +1 for this, and the button we need to change to the next one. So I think it's look good, fine, background color it's fine. So let me align properly so that I can feel the coding section where it is written. So we can say, now we can add some animations also, so that it will look little bit stylish. We can say spring. Actually 3 types of animations are there if I'm not wrong, because we have used 2 only, but default is also there and spring is there. So we can say spring is there, interactive spring is there, and one default also we can use it. Yeah, easy, and multiple are there actually we can use, but it's okay anyway, we can use. Spring is fine for me, so let me try. But I think we don't have images, right? So you can go to there and you can say plus from where to bring the images. Actually I'm planning to bring from the downloads folder. You can go and we can put some these random images. We can say looks fine, so I can rename it to image 1, image 2, and last but not the least image 3, and we can check it out what the name we are given. Image 1, image 2 actually fine, and image 3. So guys, let me run the code, and it should be in 7 plus, which is already open. So let me try with that. So I think it's very easy, but this is, I told you earlier, it is a static part, so you guys can play around with the dynamic for each loop you need to use, and yeah, I think it should work fine. So yeah, it came finally, and you can see that. Oh, it's restarted. So it looks fine. So you can go to the next. So you can see the images are changing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 is coming because might be the name is not right, so I will change it here 2, and I will do it 1. Let's see, the naming convention of the images are not perfect, so that's why. So I think it should work fine, although you understood the concept of the page control, and it's used for the basically, some UI for the page indicators. Oh, 3 came first. It's totally opposite, huh? So it's okay, fine, no issues. You guys understood, because see, you can say first is this, next, first, next, first, next, first. It's animation, right? So looks fine. So guys, if you understood the video, please like and subscribe for the video, because I'm putting some new videos, some tricky videos of Xcode also, how to play around with the Xcode. So please hit the subscribe button and bell icon also for getting the new updates. So thanks for watching.